Nokia is a legendary and iconic smartphone brand that has stood the test of time. If you're also thinking of buying a power-packed Nokia smartphone with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, then your wait might soon be over. Because Nokia is all set to launch its most awaited smartphone, the Nokia Zeno Lite 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this beast of a phone. So let's start. Features: Nokia Zeno Lite 5G. Display. This stunning smartphone from Nokia flaunts a massive 6.95-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 2K resolution. And that's not all, it also comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a blazing fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth gaming and scrolling. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, making it tough against drops and scratches. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, the real showstopper. This phone features a triple camera setup with a primary 200-megapixel sensor that promises DSLR-like photography. Alongside, you get a 24-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, Nokia has included a 50-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring lightning-fast speed and lag-free performance. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16, offering a seamless and futuristic user experience. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Zeno Lite 5G packs a massive 7500 mAh battery, which easily lasts more than a day. And when you do need to recharge, 100-watt super fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the price and launch. Rumor has it that this monster will be priced around $800. Of course, the final price will be confirmed once it officially launches. And speaking of launch, mark your calendars. Nokia is expected to unveil this powerhouse in December 2025.